Hi, how are you today? Victoria Christensen here. One of the things that I feel that many of my clients, couples, are discussing is because of the consequence of limiting beliefs. Do you feel sometimes inadequate? Do you feel sometimes that you have to do this and that so you get love? If your answer is yes, that means that you are letting your limited beliefs take overhand. So that is a big problem because when we come with limitations, the word sets itself, you just don't go ahead because the limiting is just feel that the limitation is here, then you don't go further. So I will give you 3 things that will help with that. Ask yourself, this this is helping me, this thinking, this thought right now, is it true? Is this helping me? What about if I dare to do it different? What about if I go inside myself and instead of asking or saying to me that I am not worth it or I am not good enough or that I have to have resentment or that this person doesn't love me, what about if I start to believe that I already have all that? And you will say, well, that is lying. No, it's not lying. It's not lying because everything is inside you. If you are telling yourself you are not worth it, well, is it true? Remember, stop and remember something that you had achieved. Dare to confront yourself, or better said, your thoughts. If you feel that that person is not loving you, well, dare to remember the good things that maybe you had already received, because it's a fact that what you focus on, it will be your reality. Everything is perception. So that is the solution. The solution is to change your perspective. The perspective is just something that you believe, but if you ask these right questions, how much is that true? What about if it would have been different? Or what about if I challenge it? What will happen? To do that, to be able to do that, have silence with you. Meditate or mindfulness, practice going out on the nature. Have some time alone with yourself, look the eyes and just observe your thoughts. And then write them down. In the morning, remember to give a strong affirmation that today I'm going to be aware of what I'm thinking. And in the evening, write down some thoughts about how it went during the day. That will help you a lot to go and overcome further than the limitations.